Welcome, this is Carrie Schell from On Point Quilter. I am the top online electric quilt educator, and I will be sharing how to create an On Point flying geese block and then play with it in a quilt. On the home screen, select New Project and label this Mixed Up Flying Geese and select OK. I decided to work with one of the new fabrics of the month, so I'm going to view the project sketchbook, go to the Fabrics tab, and select Clear, followed by OK. Then go ahead and close. Select Search Fabric Swatches and navigate to the 2022 Fabric of the Month. Click on the plus and scroll down and find the November collection from Northcott, which is Stars and Stripes. Select the plus and click on the Stars and Stripe collection. Select all fabrics, add to sketchbook, and close. Let's start by working on the block. Select the block work table and select a new block pieced Easy Draw block. In the Precision toolbar, change the width and height to 6 by 6. Set the snaps every inch, which would be 6 by 6, with snapping options just snap to grid. Select the line tool and draw diagonal lines from the 4 inches on the left edge to 4 inches on the top, and then from 2 inches on the bottom to 2 inches on the right edge. With the line tool, connect each of the snap points on the one line with the same snap point on the adjoining line. So there will be a total of 5 added lines. Within each rectangle, draw a horizontal and vertical line to create 5 flying geese units. Select the Color tab and color this. Add to Project Sketchbook, and then let's do another variation using some different fabrics and add to Project Sketchbook. Select the quilt work table and select New Quilt On Point. On the Layout tab, change the number of blocks to 3 by 4 and set the finished size of the block to 10.5. This will allow all of the flying geese units to have a finished size without seam allowance of 5 by 2.5, which would be great with any of the rulers that you potentially own. Select the Border tab and select Add for the first border. Change the size to 1.5. Select Add, and let's make this a 5-inch long horizontal. Select Add and change the style to mitered and change the size to 0.5. Select the Design tab, and under Set Blocks, if you scroll to the end, you may see just one coloring or you may see 2. If you only see one coloring, right-click on the block and select Split Colorings, and that will give you both versions of the block to be easily set in your quilt. With the controller command key, select one of the colorations and click on one of the On Point squares in the quilt. Then select the other coloring, and with the controller command key, select one of the alternate On Point squares. Select the Symmetry tool. The Symmetry tool allows each click to automatically rotate and flip all of the blocks in the quilt, and each click will give you a different set of flips and rotations. With the Control or Command key, first start by clicking on one of the On Point squares one time, and then with the Controller Command key, select the alternate coloring and click on it until you have a pleasing arrangement. Select Fabric Tools, and with the paintbrush and the Controller Command key, color each of the borders and the binding. Select Hide Show Quilt Patch Lines, use Swap Color to make any adjustments to the fabrics in the quilt. And add to Project Sketchbook. Thanks so much for watching. If you are just starting to explore Electric Quilt, check out my introductory class, Shoot for the Star with EQ8. And if you're ready for a deeper dive, check out the TechnoQuilter membership.